top Korean news of the day, a South Korean frontline unit near the inter-Korean border accidentally fired a machine gun towards North Korea. This happened at around 5 p.m. at Yangju-si City, Gyeonggi-do Province, when they were doing a weapon inspection at the outpost for the weapon K6 heavy machine gun. But luckily, only a single round was shot. After they shot the bullet, immediately they sent out a warning broadcast towards North Korea, warning them of what happened, and surprisingly, they didn't really respond. And as of right now, the Korean military is trying to find out where that bullet went. But the surprising thing is, a month ago, a very similar situation happened on the same type of machine gun, but that time it was at Cheolwon-gun County in Gangwon-do Province.